Learning Objective.
Welcome to Learn Arabic Step by Step. In this series, you'll learn how to read, write, and speak Arabic, even if you're a complete beginner.
Arabic has 28 letters. They are written from right to left. Each letter has a name and a sound. Let's learn the first few letters. G like G in George. G like G in George. G like G in George. Like in horse. Like in horse. Like in horse. Kha like Kha in Khalid. Kha like Kha in Khalid. Kha like Kha in Khalid. I will pronounce the letter and then use an Arabic word that starts with the same letter, and then I will translate it. Jim is the first letter in the word camel in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word camel is written below the rectangle. Jamal, Jamal, Jamal. Ha is the first letter in the word horse, and the pronunciation of the word horse is written below the rectangle. Hisan, Hisan, Hisan. Kha is the first letter in the word bread in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word bread is written below the rectangle. Khubz, khubz, khubz. Training. Now we will take some practice on the previous letters. Jim Jamal, Kamal Jamal, Kamal Jamal, Kamal Jamal. Ha Hisan, Ha Hisan, Horse Hisan, Horse Hisan, Horse Hisan. Kha khubz, Kha khubz, bread khubz, bread khubz, bread khubz. Well done! In the next lesson, we will learn some more letters, so study well and work hard. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video so that everyone can benefit.